Hey again. Haha, you'd get that if you were on part of the inside team here, but you don't. So here we go. All right, today we're talking about parallel lines. So parallel, same slope, never touch. So what we're talking about is two lines that are doing something like this. They could be doing this. They could be doing this. All right, so we're going to use two things to talk about parallel slopes. We're going to be plotting points and lines on Desmos or using true-false on Inspire, depending on the form. So if it's ax plus by equals c, we're definitely going to be using true-false. Let's go ahead and hop into question one. Question one, what is the equation of the line that passes through the point 5, negative 15, and is parallel to the line y equals negative 4x minus 5? Two important parts. Passes through, which means touches. So we are looking for a line that touches that point. And the second important part is parallel. So parallel means we are going to have the same slope. So when I'm looking at equations like y equals negative 4x minus 5, remember to find your slope, we're going to be looking at the number with x, which is negative 4. So m is equal to negative 4. M parallel will also be equal to negative 4. So A, y equals negative 4x, that's a maybe. B, y equals 3/4 x, that is incorrect. C, y equals negative 4x, that's also a maybe. D, y equals negative 4x, that's also a maybe. So now, all of these lines, A, C, and D, will be parallel. It comes down to which one of those touches the point at 5, negative 15. So I'm going to go to Desmos. I'm going to put in 5, negative 15. I'm going to hit label. And if you can't see it, what you're going to do is you're just going to zoom out. Oh, there it is. Nice. I'm going to go ahead and graph our first equation, y equals negative 4x minus 5. And then I just want it to be parallel to that and touch that point. So here comes answer choice A, 4x minus 9. Answer choice C, y equals negative 4x plus 5. And answer choice D, y equals negative 4x plus 2. I'm going to go ahead and take a look at all of my answers real quick. And remember, this is too much to look at, so I'm going to go ahead and turn off A, C, and D and look at them one at a time. So A, parallel, which is good, but it doesn't touch the point. We want it to touch that point right here, so A is out. C is parallel, touches the point. I'm liking it. D, parallel, and just barely misses that point right there. So the answer is going to be C, because it passes through the point just like that. Boom shakalaka, whoop, there it is. Let's go to our next question. All right, below is given linear function r. So we have a graph here. What is the equation of the line that contains the point negative 3, 5 and is parallel to the line r? All right, contains is going to mean touch as well. That's the same thing as pass through. And parallel, you should know at this point, everyone say it with me, means same slope. Very good, everybody. That was amazing. First thing I want to notice is that this line is negative. This is a negative slope. So we have negative slope right here. So if I'm going to be parallel, I also want a negative slope, which if I look at all three of my answers, oh, hey, that's the case for all of them. So now I need to actually find the slope of line R. So I'm going to find 2 points like negative 3, 6 and 6, 3. And I'll go to Desmos, make a table to find the slope. So we're going to go like this. Negative 3, 6, 6, 3. Let's head to Desmos, make the table. So negative 3, 6, 6, negative 3. Or sorry, 6, positive 3. Crazy me. Go here, hit this, export it as a custom regression. You're going to type m and make that a fraction. If you're confused about that, go watch the slope video, please. M is equal to negative 1/3. So if I look at each of my answers, I look at the number with x, and I'm going to be in between two answers. I've got either C or A. So now it all comes down to which one touches negative 3, 5. So we're going to go back to Desmos. I'm going to put negative 3, 5. I'm going to hit label. I can see it, which is good. Answer choice A is y equals negative 1 divided by 3. X plus 4. I can see that's parallel. I can see it touches the point. I like it. Let me put C in just in case. Negative 1 divided by 3. Divided by 3. Wow, I keep hitting 9. That's really cool of me. X plus 2. That clearly does not touch that point, negative 3, 5, so the answer is A. Boom shakalaka. Whoop, there it is. 2 more, y'all. 2 more. All right. I'm actually going to put Desmos away, and you'll see why in a second. What is the equation in standard form of the line that passes the point 6, negative 1 is parallel to the line represented by 8x plus 3y equals 15? Ladies and gentlemen, this is that lovely standard form I was mentioning, ax plus by equals c. It starts with an x value. This means you're going to use true, false. But first, let's highlight our important stuff. Contains the point 6, negative 1, parallel, which means same slope. So here's the shortcut here. Here's the shortcut. You're looking for what is close to this. So 8x plus 3y. So A, maybe, because it's 8x plus 3y. B, no, because of the negative. That would not be parallel. C, maybe. D, no. And now, I'm going to plug in 6, negative 1. So here we have x, here we have y. Let me actually get some colors going on here just to make sure that we can get this down. So we have 8 parentheses 6 plus 3 parentheses negative 1 equals to 15. We're going to do the same thing for C and see what's true. So we have 8 times 6 plus 3 parentheses negative 1 is equal to 45. When you put these into your calculator, you get false for A, true for C, which means C contains the point, and that's that. All right, perfect. If you are